Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today in this third part of heredity and evolution, we will see the meaning of evolution. Evolution is a gradual change occurring in living organisms over a long duration. This is a very slow going process through which development of organisms is achieved. All these stages and changes occurring in various components ranging from stars, planets and space to the biosphere present on Earth should be included in the study of evolution. But what is evolution? Well, formation of new species due to changes in specific characters of several generations of living organisms as a result of natural selection is called as evolution. About 3.5 billion years ago, life had been non-existent on the earth. At the beginning, there may have been only simple elements in the ocean on the earth, and simple type of organic and inorganic compounds may have been formed from those. Complex compounds like proteins and nucleic acids may have formed over the long period from those simple compounds. First primitive type of cell may have been formed from the mixture of different types of organic and inorganic compounds. Number of those cells may have been increased at the cost of surrounding chemicals. There may have been some differences among those cells, and according to the principle of natural selection, some may have shown good growth and some may have perished, which cannot adjust with the surrounding, because it is the rule of the nature those who can adjust with the environment only can survive, and those who cannot adjust they will die. At present, crores of species of plants and animals with huge diversity regarding shape and complexity are present on the earth. Animal diversity ranges from the unicellular amoeba Paramecium to man and giant whale. Plants diversity consists of various species ranging from unicellular chlorella to the huge banyan tree. The life exists on earth everywhere from equator to both the poles. Organisms are present on both the places like air, water, land, rock, etc. Humans have shown curiosity about origin of life and reasons for such a great diversity in life present on the earth. Since ancient period, different theories about origin and evolution of life have been proposed till today, of which theory of gradual development of living organism is widely accepted. Theory of evolution. According to this theory, first living material, that is protoplasm, has been formed in ocean. In due course of time, unicellular organism was formed. Gradually, changes occurred in unicellular organisms from which larger and more complex organisms were formed. Changes and development in living organisms has been all round and multidimensional, and this led to evolution of different types of organisms. Hence, this overall process is called as evolution, which is organizational. Progressive development of plants and animals from the ancestors having different structures and functional organization is called evolution.